Do you want to know how you can log into your CDSL Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your CDSL Mutual Fund account. The first step is to open Chrome OS browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar, and then search for CDSL Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login page of CDSL. Click Declare Bonafide, where you can write down your PAN card, BOID, date of birth. Click I'm not a robot, click Submit, and you can log into your CAS and declare Bonafide. If you want to log in, go ahead and click Login, which is on the top right hand side. There are a lot of options, so you can choose which one of it is. So go ahead and click Login to Issuer or Login to IEPF, choosing your login type, and you can see this login portal open up. Go ahead and write down your username, your password, click login, and then you can access your CDSL Mutual Fund account. It's quite simple, guys. Go to cdslindia.com, go ahead and click login, which is over here. Select your login type, go ahead and click login, and there are separate types of login you want to view. I hope this video about how you can log into your CDSL Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.